Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting out the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro yen monthly, I still think it's extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3 right here. I think we're in a wave 3 still, and just to end this wave 3, I think we need to make a wave 4 and a wave 5. And there's really no evidence that the wave 3 is even over. This potentially could just keep on trending up in this wave 3. We have to realize that this trend has been trending since 2020, and it's been about 4 years now. And there's no evidence that it's over, and it could turn into a 5 year or a 6 year uptrend pretty easily. Heading down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see the end of this wave 2, but then there is a subdivision here. It does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So we could be getting close to the end of this wave 3. I definitely don't see any evidence it's over yet. We are at a 178% fib extension, which is definitely high enough for a wave 3 to end. So if it does make a huge move to the downside, then it's probably going to be the beginning of a wave 4 and probably another wave 5. Like I said, no evidence that wave 3 is over yet, though. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely did have a pretty impulsive move down, as you can see. But usually when price closes above the 78%, that usually means that this is going to end up continuing up. I am not convinced that this move down is really anything that significant. I think it's still likely to go up, take out these previous highs, maybe head up to the 173 area, which is where the next Fibonacci extension level is. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely a pretty solid move down. Definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, so I don't even think it's over yet. Probably going to at least make a 3, 4, 5 shape. Then if it turns up, then if it breaks structure, I would definitely go long again. Buying the dip on the yen pairs has been an amazing strategy for about 4 years now, and it's probably going to continue to be an amazing strategy until we can prove that the wave 3 is over on at least a weekly time frame, which we definitely can't do yet. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just saying, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this possibly is a wave 4, possibly likely to go down for a wave 5. So if you do trade the shorter time frames, I probably would be looking for shorts still, but I would also be very cautious about shorting because it's likely that it is going to go up and break structure and end up continuing the uptrend on the much, much higher time frames. Like I said, most likely a big wave 3 on the very, very, very high time frames, the weekly and the monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.